stickers, get country roads, man. What's going on?
Dual carriageway, innit?
Oh, easy. Easy, take it.
Oh, yeah. What tires you got?
That's nice shifting.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Just the turn around.
Say again?
It's my turn around, you
The
know.
might, innit?
Heck, man, I can't even get in.
Huh?
Should I move this
Oh,
forward?
no, it's not that. It's just like you gotta put thing in.
What have you got a cup of tea for?
Why?
It's gonna go all over the
Okay,
place.
hold on, let me spit some.
Don't. No, you're gonna drop all that.
No, the
that's
ants
all
are
it
gonna
is.
be
No,
there.
that's all gonna go over the
What are you
place.
talking about? Take it easy first. Boom the car up. Don't go blasting around first.
What
Get
the
to country road. Let's get to the country. You know the Dorridge way. Country road, man. That's what I took in. I call it the little D1.
I got. Other way. Let's go.
Wait, did you go this way?
Nah, let's go the way.
Yeah. Which way is that way?
You know, just. Do you have to go Saudi all the way?
Yeah, country road. Any country roads, like
Okay,
really
okay,
nice
okay,
roads. Like you
okay.
can like feel the
Alright,
suspension
okay.
on the car. How it
Alright.
flows. Don't do nothing yet.
Yeah,
Tell me
no,
when you're
drink your
actually
tea.
throwing it.
Why you can drop your tea everywhere?
No, but obviously take it warm it up. Then just feel the way it responds. The car responds. This car actually is one of the. It is good because it's 2010 sports
Yeah,
car. You never
yeah.
had it because the newer the car is, the more features the car has.
Yeah. What are you saying in it, Cassim? Good.
Oh, bless, man.
Yeah, alhamdulillah, that's good, man. That's good. And now you first time being in a Subaru. You've been in a Subaru
Yeah.
before.
I've never
Similar
been in a
to
Subaru
Evo.
before.
Really?
Yeah, none of the
Never?
Subarus.
Wow. Yeah, secure that fish and chip shop.
Yeah.
Proper busy, innit? They do.
There's good
No,
money there.
work is hard though, I tell ya. You're on your feet.
I gotta do this phone interview due to COVID.
Oh,
On
really?
Skype, yeah, they've done a different method of it, so I gotta show my documents and stuff. So
Wow.
inshallah, I should be
I'm
going
finished with my tea now.
because they
Take
got
it
that.
easy, man. What's with the rush?
How much horses is this car pushing?
Ah,
255, 255. Nothing fast. That's what I was saying. We'll go somewhere local. Yeah.
Watch this guy and that guy.
Look
guy
at
say-
Micra. You see, look, he did it himself, but he's still sticking out. He did an alright job, but it's not all that. The fenders, he made it look wide. You got the mirror.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Stickers, get country roads, man. What's going on?
Dual carriageway, innit?
Oh, easy, take it.
The
Take
demon.
Detour.
has
Hey,
it.
take it easy, man. You don't know what's around the corner.
Nah, not this bit.
Wow.
Okay, take it easy now. Easy, man. Easy. This is what car's made to
Nice.
do. I love that part. Like,
Yeah, it just goes.
yeah, that's the part where you
Yeah.
actually know that you're in turbo.
The sound is what makes it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect shifting that was. Not bad.
So yeah, well, sometimes I make mistakes. You know, when you do it, you
Yeah.
can't. When I make that doof, like you know when I'm
Yeah, yeah, I
driving
know.
now.
Doof.
That,
I know it.
This is amateur driving. That
Oh
thing,
yeah, that's bad.
that
That's bad.
doof doof. So what's
Yeah.
happening is the rear diff is like bouncing
Yeah,
because
no,
you're not
you're
changing
actually
gear properly.
knocking it.
Yeah, you gotta avoid that knocking sound by doing the shift. So you gotta shift it in and then gas. If you do it at the same time, it doesn't like it.
Yeah, like quick like that.
Yeah,
that's
that. Change gear, gas fast.
Yeah, but you know the thing is, car.
So I'll go back
You
round
used to
again.
make
Then.
pops and bangs.
Yeah, I'll go back round. Yeah.
Yeah. What about Dingy's car? What's his name now? What's that Indian guy's name?
Oh yeah. What tires you got on this? It's nice. It's nice. That was. Took out some speed.
It's got
Gotta
a soft
be some-
suspension. It's got a soft suspension though.
Ah.
It's not the. I want it, if it was harder, I could
Yeah,
get the
you
back
could've-
end out.
Yeah.
Unless if
What-
it's raining.
What about
In the Scooby H.
Yeah.
Send it to you.
But that's nicely like taking the
Yeah.
car at its limits nicely. But that
Without-
happened too. Like you don't. This Subaru, you can't bang the rev limiter. It runs out of juice. Like puffs. It just runs out of power. with the classic one, GC8s, you can bang the limiter, it'll carry on, try its optimum like limit where it's supposed to be. But with this car, the newer ones,
limiter on it.
nah, there weren't no limiter. But when you do, the car slows down. This one, the new ones.
Yeah.
Oh, it cuts off the engine power when you hit the rev limit.
Yeah, when you get near it.
Yeah.
Well, which near to what?
Oh, okay.
7,000.
So
Yeah,
towards
yeah,
a higher
So if you get to
RPM.
7,000, that's it. It just goes.
Yeah, like
The
you'll
torque is
know,
lost.
like the power kind of goes like. It
Yeah,
just,
yeah, yeah.
The car just
obviously,
stops.
Yeah. Come on,
Wow.
Cassim.
Ah, then.
Come on, Cassim. Yeah, go on. No, you done Subaru before.
Let me feel the biting point
Yeah,
on
go on.
this.
Okay.
Go on. Gas, gas.
It's quite a hard clutch.
Gas, more gas,
Have
more
it,
gas.
Yeah,
have
got
it,
it.
yeah.
Gas. Must give more gas, okay?
Just give gas first.
There you go. Go,
That's
go,
it, slowly.
go. Cassie's driving the Subaru. Oh,
Yeah.
lift it too quick. Then to the, yes.
Yeah, pre-put down, go on. Go ahead.
More, no, look at the RPM. You gotta get
Yeah,
give it
don't
more
worry
than that.
about Yeah, man.
Stop.
Just
Stop. So,
Wow, it's nice, you know.
do we
Do you
use
think they'll
that?
turn around?
Say again?
It might turn around, you
They
know.
might. I know.
Puts it back on.
What are the chances of police going down the
I
road?
know, man.
How high the clutch is, you know, when I'm
Yeah.
shifting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
The gears are stiff. The clutch is
Again,
stiff
it's
because it has to
supposed
be.
but
It's
you
supposed.
can, but you can manage it. You,
Yeah.
when you get used to it, it's like becomes like normal.
Don't worry about it.
I don't
This
know.
car, man, I love it. No, Civic is more fun. It's more responsive.
Yeah.
The other day I took it to the storage. We were ripping it. I think Casa, you shouldn't
Right,
give you a
right.
bit more than that.
Okay.
But I think that you must have felt like, oh, this is quite quick. This is shifting
Yeah.
quick.
It wasn't that. I
Like,
wanted to
you
get
shouldn't
used to
like-
that when I was shifting. Yeah.
That's nice shifting.
Ah, yeah, you're right. You can hear the
Perfect.
exhaust back
Yeah,
here.
see?
That's amazing.
This is the part where you actually.
Yeah. Wow.
But the heat down is too hot. It's just too way hot. This is. Bring it down.
The heat's on.
Actually.
No, do a second.
Yeah, wow. This is Fast and Furious. This is
Crossover. Actually.
feel that exhaust.
This is fun
Okay.
car. See, I know what I'm doing because of all my experience to bring it down here. This is no way gonna mess me up now.
The phone there, behind the letter. No phone there. I don't mind.
What?
No, it's not. It's not there.
Did you find it?
You focused or? Ring it.
You wanna go back to the spot where you jumped out the car?
Yeah. Go back to spot.
Go back.
I think that you follow my seat. I reckon it. There it is.
Found it.
See? Oh my god, let's be turbocharged. Turbocharger.
Yeah, slow down here. Slow down and then do like a one start. Go back to one.
Back to one. Like
Let's do a
one.
second. Let's do seconds.
Second
Yeah.
watch. Here comes the watch. Now.
Okay, alright. That's it. Make some rubbish in this car.
Oh my god, I got it. Just got online. 700 brake. Let's move up to this next level. But that's only got 2 seats though, that's the problem. Not unless you add another seat in the back. It was, you were playing safe because it's the first time.
Checking the
But
car.
yeah, feeling it of it because you actually never ever been in that high up to
power,
because then you realise like whoa, okay.
I never put it,
Yeah.
I was just doing
The game gives you a sense of like of what to do in terms
Yeah,
of like
but in real
steering,
life, you
pressing.
gotta worry about safety, your own
Yeah.
well-being, all around you, other
No,
drivers.
once you're in the country road, it's more like
Yeah,
it's more of
there's
a
less
fun.
hazard, less
Yeah,
hazard,
it's more like having a test of the vehicle, performance-wise and handling based on. Because you can test everything. That's why country road is one of the best things to test the car. The second gear, pull power. Watch. He's just taking it. He just takes it already. Your hands has to be like this when you drive. You have to turn like this. You can't just go like this. Or do this. I'd keep it like that because I'm high speed. It has to.
I like it like this. No, like racing drivers, you gotta be close.
Yeah, yeah.
I know that's one way.
You can.
Because of the force feedback.
Yeah, no, you have to. That's how you do the quickest way to turn.
I'll put it like this.
Because you got more
Like,
of
if you watch
range over here. And
if you watch
That depends though. It
the
depends.
Subaru drivers and racing drivers, I know they just kind of like be a bit more closer.
Yeah, that slight bit.
Yeah.
I find it more comfortable like this range because then I can have full control. Because I can look
Kinda.
turn it like this. I can turn like this all the way. Because you know when you're in the cross hands when you're going speeding.
Yeah.
That's Asians. That's the Asians.
You should never cross hands. You always have to keep it like this. I remember because I did it and the guy goes, no, you shouldn't do that. You know that when I'm in Superstar,
I remember
when the
you
racetrack.
was on Grand
Say
Prix.
again.
Yeah, you
Remember that was Superstar when that little race circuit. Remember? Oh, you was in the car or not? Or you were there? You know that
You went to
F1.
Superstar, yeah, I went there, yeah.
And then there's a little racetrack.
yeah,
So
yeah,
basically,
yeah.
the guys tell me go faster, and goes, look, don't cross it, and you have to turn, and that's how you know how much you're turning into.
Well, you
the
drove
vehicle.
a car there?
Yeah, it wasn't a
Can't remember.
powerful car, but it was like a one point something.
Oh,
big
you did
cars.
it. Yeah, you did it. Okay.
It's still strange.
Feel what?
very slight. Yeah.
That's 4-wheel traction, you know, all 4 wheels. The carriage to the car is
Like,
totally
I really
different.
appreciate you letting me drive it because, like, to be honest with you, like, I've got the steering wheel at home and Gran Turismo. That's the cheapest way for me. To, like,
I know,
do-
see,
yeah.
that's
Like,
the
I
ambition.
appreciate to be with that for my life
Yeah.
and do the.
But to do it and actually just show it to actually driving, that's just blow us away because you're actually
Yeah.
doing it, you know what I mean? From a
But one thing, like,
from a simulator to actual real life, it's just
Yeah.
mind
there's
blowing.
one video that always humbles me. Yeah, is this guy? He's got a Porsche hybrid. I think it's at 980 brake horsepower. Aerodynamics are crazy. He's taken it and he's finished the Nürburgring in under 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Wow, what, real life you mean?
Real life. He's going
A
around
Porsche,
the
what
turns.
colour is it?
How far is it now from
hybrid.
now?